Hello everybody. We are going to farm animals today. I have my little girl with me, and I'm going to take you all with me as well. And I'm eating this one from Japan. It's a nori with omiboshi flavor. It's like a sour plum in Japan. So it tastes like that. Okay. So I just open it and I'm just going to get one piece. It's okay. Ooh, it's quite small. And this is how it looks like. I'm going to try it now. It's very crunchy. With sour. It's really good. So if you're in Japan, find this one if you like sour food. You would love this. It's really good, isn't it? You like it? You like it too? Say hello to people. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting one more. It's really good, so you should try this one. It's really crunchy. So good. It's nice, yeah. Okay. See you later. Look how sunny today. So we have arrived in the farm and just walking through it. We are in the lift now. I'm not wearing any makeup, so I'm just using this Pond's BB cream, H5 something. And that's my little girl. She looks sleepy. They said this one is a good brand. Facial scrub. What's this? Blemish hydrating. Yes, I'm having mint chocolate chip. And I am in pasta. Okay. Thank you. Chocolate. Hello po. We are back for another vlog. We are just about to go out. We are just outside our house, so we're just going to cross the road. See? Yeah?
Boy.
Is that what happened?
Poop.
Then what did Bebe say? Okay, next.
Why? Mommy, Bobby, my baby, huh? Baby, mama.